Welcome to Financial Education Services 4 Steps to Getting Started orientation. First and foremost, we commend you for recognizing the incredible opportunity with FES. You obviously identify the need and market for our essential services, especially the importance and power of having excellent credit. You will soon find out how receptive people are when you simply expose them to our premier credit restoration service and our vital protection plan. We already know, and now you'll know, that everyone needs our services. In addition, what other company can you work with which offers such tremendous earning potential combined with an unprecedented benefit package? And finally, you'll quickly come to know that our training and support is second to none, and our training platform will be the catalyst for your success. Now, before we begin your specific orientation, let's spend a brief moment helping you to understand hybrid marketing, which means the merge between corporate America and entrepreneurship. Here you will get the benefits of both. You see, in today's world, most people's career lack three things. Number one, they don't control their income. Number two, they don't control their schedule or time. And number three, they don't control their ability to advance or get promoted. So the question is, why? Well, it's simple, because basically they're not in control. So what if you were? Imagine this. One day at work, your boss calls you into his office and informs you that the company is going to give you a $10,000 increase. They're also going to allow you to choose your own hours and make your own schedule, taking off whenever you want, as long as you continue to work hard. And also, now you determine when you move to a higher level in the company. Are you skeptical yet? Are you thinking, what's the catch? Of course, you would ask your boss, hey, what's the catch? And what if your boss said, simple. You just pay $500 and all of this is yours. Think about it. Everyone would do that, wouldn't they? But we all know that is not a realistic situation. Or is it? You see, for most people, the thought about paying for their career would be met with tremendous opposition. But what most people don't realize is they are paying, and they're paying a lot more than $500. Think about it. 5, 10, 20 years of working and making less money than you know you should? Or how about all that time that is lost working instead of getting to do the things you really would love to do? And in many cases, even when you do get promoted, you end up having more responsibilities and not even making that much more money. So the question is, aren't most people already paying for their job? All of this is critical to understand and is a prerequisite to becoming a successful agent with FES. At FES, we believe in giving our agents a chance to pay and invest in the best career possible, and by doing so, give them control over their income, time, and advancement. So with that understanding, let's begin your 4 steps to getting started orientation. Step 1, you enroll and become an agent. Most of the things you're going to need to become successful are going to be provided for you. Of course, you're going to have to do the work. You're going to receive, as an agent, the chance to earn free services. If you recall from seeing our corporate overview, that when you enroll 5 agents and or protection plan customers, you now have the opportunity to get your protection plan for free. So think about getting all those services that everybody needs and not even having to pay for them. Although it certainly would be worth it even if you were paying for them. You're also going to receive an information starter packet delivered to your home, going to give you pertinent information to study and to get you up to speed on many of the things within FES. You're going to get a personalized website, and that personalized website is going to be a place where your customers can come to and learn about our services, a place where you're going to be able to sign customers up, as well as agents will be able to come here, get educated about our opportunity, and also be able to enroll to become an agent themselves. You'll also be able to customize your website by putting your own name, your own picture, and information so that people coming to your website will be able to contact you. So in addition to your website, you're also going to receive an online sales tracking system, which is going to help you to track all the customers and agents and all the business and all the revenue that is generated within your business. You will get to track that and see that. See, you don't have to go out and try to create all of these things. So as you have a nationwide sales organization, or as you go out and accumulate sales, The system is going to track all that for you. You're also going to have access to an agent and a customer support team. Anytime you have questions in relation to the services or your customers, you'll speak, of course, to the customer support team. And when you want to know more about your business or about commissions, processes, and things of that nature, you'll speak with agent support who will help to guide you throughout your career. In addition, you'll be receiving a weekly paycheck, meaning you'll be able to have this money direct deposited into your bank account, or also with the Vista Money Prepaid MasterCard, you'll be able to have your money deposited on that debit card. We are paid every Thursday for the work we did the previous week before. In addition to that, you'll also receive tax advantages. You see, when people work as a W-2 employee, of course, they're going to have taxes taken out of their check. When you are in a 1099 income earning opportunity, the company is going to pay you all of the money you earned. Of course, it's your responsibility to be able to pay your taxes, but you also get the tax deductions that go along with being an independent contractor. So you receive all of these things. Now think for a second. If you were to start your own business endeavor, have to invent all the services that we offer, have to create a website, have to create a tracking system, have to hire agent and customer support, have to set up accounting, don't you think those things would be a significant expense, right? You would need a significant investment. See, the nice part is all of that's already done, and the owners of the company have gone out, they have taken the risk, they have invested the countless dollars that it's taken to set up this establishment, and you as an agent get to benefit from that. And you can become an agent for only $249. But what we're going to show you is that you can actually start your agency with a one-time fee of $199. So think about that. You're going to pay a one-time fee of $199, and now you have your own FES agency. Now let's move on to step number 2, and that's becoming a protection plan member. You see, no one person needs to believe in the services more than you. And by becoming a protection plan member, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be protecting yourself. You're going to be protecting your family. You're going to understand how the services work because you're going to go through the services yourself. And you're going to benefit and have the peace of mind by having all the services. And so when you sit before people and you're encouraging them to get the services we offer, you're going to be able to talk from personal experience. You're going to be able to tell people the services work and that now you are protecting your family. In addition to that, when you get on the protection plan, you're also going to now have life insurance available to you, which is another great benefit of being involved with FES. In addition to the protection plan and the services that you're going to receive, which is 6 services plus the life insurance, and you should have already gone through all the services when you went through your corporate overview, but you're more than welcome once again to visit FESprotectionplan.com, which will walk you through all those services. But there are additional benefits in terms of working with FES. When you're a protection plan member, you have the opportunity to earn a fast track bonus. That means as soon as you enroll as an agent, as long as you go out and make a full pay $399 or $499 sale within your first 30 days, you'll get a fast track bonus, meaning you'll get paid at the highest commission our company offers for a retail sale. You'll also have the benefits of the R&R Club, and you'll get maximum earnings and also have the chance to win trips and participate in all the contests and available incentives. Being on the protection plan is critical to our agents, and also this is a big part of our recurring and residual revenue process that's going to help you to establish a very stable career. Now let's move on to step number 3. Very, very important, because this is how we're able to go out and help so many people, whether it's with the services or the opportunity. And it's very simple. What do? We expose people to what we offer. It's not a matter of going out and having to hard sell people. It's simple. People know they need these services. They just don't think about it, and we got to get in front of them and educate them. Think about credit restoration, for instance. Don't you think most people know they need good credit? And don't you think most people know whether or not they have it? So isn't it just about exposing it to them, that there's an option available to them? to help them with their credit challenges. The same thing with a will, trust, power of attorney, or any of the services we offer. We just got to get in front of people and educate them and let them know that there's options out there for them to protect themselves and their family. So think about it. Who do you know that has a debit card, who has less than perfect credit, that does not have a will, trust, or power of attorney, or who isn't currently protecting their identity, or who has debt and would definitely benefit from some type of system to get it paid off? Now also think about the people you know that may be in credit-related industries. Who do you know that is a realtor, or in the mortgage industry, or in the automobile business, or who works at a bank or a credit union, or who may work at an apartment complex, or who may be a bankruptcy attorney? See, many of these individuals either need people with good credit to be able to do business with them, or a situation where some of these folks deal with people that already have challenged credit and need help to recover. So in either case, you can team up with these individuals and you can start establishing accounts which will then lead to potential customers of our credit restoration service. In addition to that, who do you know that may be frustrated with their current career? They're looking for a change, and maybe this will be a good fit for them. Or who maybe is looking to supplement their income, a little part-time money, or even a full-time income. Or who do you know that maybe is entrepreneurial, who's looking to become financially free? So think about all those people. We're going to actually make a list, and we're going to begin to contact those folks and see if there's a good fit, either from potentially being a customer or because they may be a good fit to become an agent. Now, it's very important to pay attention here, because as a new agent coming on board, your goal is to become great at exposing to what we're doing while you learn to become great at explaining. So many times, new people who get started tend to want to go out and explain, and we always say, well, how can you explain something you don't yet know? That's like going out and thinking you're going to become a doctor before you actually go to medical school. Why don't you get trained first, develop the skill and the expertise that will make you a whole lot more effective at explaining? So we have a system in place, and that system goes like this. You know people, your contacts, whether that's a friend, a family member, a coworker, an acquaintance, and the thing that you have between them and you is there's a level of trust, there's a level of rapport, there's a relationship there. What you're lacking at this moment is the respect and credibility in terms of your career with FES, because you're new. You have to first get educated, know the services, know the opportunity, so that when you speak with people, you're able to do so from the standpoint of being knowledgeable, being able to answer questions, and so forth. So the last thing you want to do is to go out too soon trying to be that respect, trying to be that credibility. That will come over time. So what you want to do is team up with a senior field trainer, a sales director, a regional sales director, an executive sales director. In other words, the individual agents in our company that are producing results, that do have the expertise and the skill, and they can work with your contacts, get them the answers they're looking for, take them through the process effectively and efficiently so that they get the best results, and in turn, you get the best results. By doing it this way, it won't be long before you yourself are a senior field trainer and above, and you do have the respect and credibility, and you're able to work with new people as well. Now let's move on to the last step. Step number 4, probably the most important step, because it's hard to expect to do the other things well, meaning enroll agents, get customers, get referrals, and so forth without being trained. Think about all the avenues that are available to you to get trained, whether it be online training through watching videos, a conference call training that you can plug into and listen to and learn, local trainings where local area leaders will be available to walk you through the basics of our business. We have regional product trainings, and then national advanced trainings. This is our FES University program where our very best go out on the road, travel around the country, region after region after region, putting on advanced training workshops so that agents who are serious about this can learn in a very intense crash course on how to build a very successful career with FES. Everything you would want to know and understand is available through the university. And we also have a once-a-year annual convention where all of us come together to find out what is going to happen in the upcoming year. So Those are the 4 steps to getting started. And now it's just a matter of making a decision on exactly how you choose to get started. You can start at a faster pace or at a slower pace. It's really no right, wrong, good, or bad. It's really a matter of choice. So let's go through these options and then see where you might fit in. Let's start out with the faster pace. Your faster pace is going to include agent enrollment, as we talk about, which is $199. Your protection plan membership, which is $87. Remember, the $199 is a one-time fee, and the $87 fee is a monthly fee. So that's $286. And then you have an opportunity, it's not required, but you have an opportunity to attend immediately an FES University Advanced Secrets of Success training, which is $189. This is a 2-day program. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee because we want to make sure that every agent that attends this university training walks out of there with confidence, with knowledge, and belief that they can go out and achieve some great things with FES. And if that's not the case, you get 100% of your money back. So if you choose to start at a faster pace and include the education right away, it's $475. Now remember when we talked earlier about paying $500 for a great career? Well, here it is. But you also can start at a slower pace. If you just want to get started as an agent for the $199 and the protection plan membership at $87 a month, you're going to invest $286 and you're underway. Of course, you can come back at a later date if you so choose, and you can take advantage of the Secrets of Success training. It's just a matter of choice. The faster pace simply means this. It doesn't mean you're going to leave what you're currently doing now. It means a mindset. Do you want to learn faster? Do you want to grow faster? Do you want to become more skilled faster? Do you want to earn more money faster? And if that's the case, then you want to go at the faster pace. But if it's okay with you to maybe go at a slower pace, then that's good too. Just make a decision. Which do you want to do? Start at the faster pace or go at the slower pace? So that concludes our 4 steps to getting started orientation. And all that's left is taking action. Contact the agent who directed you to sit through this orientation, and they or one of our field trainers or senior field trainers will help you complete the 4-step process. Of course, if for some reason you've determined this is not a good fit for you, make sure you let your FES agent know that and continue to keep your mind open to providing referrals of the people that could definitely benefit from our services and our opportunity. And for those of you who are beginning a new career path with FES, we congratulate you and we welcome you to the family of FES agents. We know that this will be a terrific and limitless opportunity for you, your family, and your future.